This is gonna be just a little introduction about me, Devon. Not to sound crazy or conceited, it's just I just wanted to give you guys like something to just like understand who I am and why I'm putting up videos on YouTube now. So I hope this testing goes great. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the material and you guys learn as much as possible and just take action in anything and everything that I talk about. If you find anything of interest, sorry for the stutter, just take action, follow what the videos do, save it, reference it, have it just there for you just to always reference and always go back to and have instructions on how to do certain things, and you have an order of how to do it. This is very, very helpful information and it's going to benefit you in life. So I'm happy to introduce to you. I'm also, if you didn't notice, inside this nice, beautiful Mercedes-Benz. This is the CLA class. If I am saying that correct, I'll give you a little walk around to see how it looks. Back in action. I pay a very low rate for this vehicle and I have it for the day. I don't want to give away the big secret yet. I'll do another video. There'll be like some type of like bubble thing at the end of the video, and it'll probably just say click this, because this will be the next video of how to get yourself into a Mercedes-Benz for a low daily rate or something like that. So hope you guys enjoy the material. So I'm gonna go take a walk and tell you guys a little bit about me. Hope you guys enjoy this snowstorm that I'm gonna be in. So my introduction to myself, don't mind me, I'm looking around to see if there's people. It's like, let me stop. But I'm gonna do a quick introduction. My name is Devon Trail, as you probably heard in all the other previous videos that I have uploaded. I'm 28 years old. I currently reside in Hartford, Connecticut. I'm gonna be giving as much information as I can to you as a viewer and a subscriber, hopefully. All right, so the name of the account is Nips Brands account. In this account, I just want to be mainly focused on financial literature and financial knowledge. I want to share what I've learned over the past years throughout like mentorship programs and like courses of like anything financial wise, especially credit, and how to actually grow credit and know what is going to affect your credit. It's just, I took a lot of things into my own hands and I felt like it was the best thing to do for me. I am a parent, I do have a daughter, so a lot, especially my mindset has changed, and I feel like there's a big group of people out there just like me that want to learn for themselves because they know they have the power to. You have a laptop, you have the power, or any way to connect to the internet, phone, whatever the case is, you have the power to take control of your life. So a little bit about me. Like I said, I reside in Hartford, Connecticut. I have a daughter, she's 6 years old, and last year I was laid off from my job at a hospital that I've been working for about, I was working there for about 5 to 6 years, and when I was laid off, I had a lot of time to think and a lot of time to actually, free time to like learn like things that I was interested in, which was entrepreneurship, you know, starting a business, creating a business. Credit was terrible, and I really have a thing for cars, and I really wanted one, so I wanted to build my credit, and I like looked around and did mentorship programs and courses that helped me out a lot, and I don't know, it just opened my mind up, especially when I did some like soul searching and meditation. That helped a lot, and walks in the park like this, they help a lot too, because how you doing? So like when you walk out here in the park, you kind of get some open space to yourself and some type of like breather, I guess you could say. Oh, see, look at me almost tripping. I told you I'm risking my life out here in a snowstorm to give you guys a quick introduction of myself. But you know, hard times hit. I had to adjust. I had to move out to a city that I was familiar with because I worked there, but I didn't prefer to live here. But it is what it is. I have got into a situation, and I'm just handling it the best way I can and just trying to progress. So that's a little bit about me. I want to prove that even with nothing, you can make something out of it, all right? So if you are that type of person that is interested in learning about more financial things, and you want to learn some credit things, and maybe, you know, at the end of this video, like I said, I might even show you how I got that Mercedes for like using it, paying daily, but just for like nothing. It's just like, it's easy. So if you are trying to find work too, I have some more links. Everything that I do mention in this, I will put at the bottom of the description. There will be a bunch of links to a bunch of things. Okay, so here's where our walk ends. Hold up, I'm gonna turn it around. Can you see behind me? So I'm like kind of cut off from the water path. Yep, look. And I'm not crawling up there because I probably will fall. Back to me. So yeah. So yes, page is called Nips Brands Account. It is about financial literacy and financial knowledge, especially when it comes to credit and building a course and goals. And yes, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, that like button, and throw a comment down below if you have anything you're interested in. We'll be having a Facebook group very soon created, and it's going to be a community for everybody to learn, grow, and express what they have to express. I know 2021 has been different and difficult, but 2022 is going to be great for the rest of us. Take care, stay blessed. Devon checking out, and you stay focused, stay locked in, and work. You have the power to achieve anything you want. Go out and get it.